What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, my name is Marco Calise. So it's been a solid 2 weeks since I've last put out a video. Really sorry about that. I am hoping to not do that in the future, but you know, life happens. And yeah, here we are with another episode for this week. So for the video this week, we are going to be talking a little bit about men's fashion. Not just men's fashion, but we're going to be talking about the basics. So when I first started getting into fashion, a lot of my friends would always ask me like, hey Marco, like what can I do to wear this type of outfit, or what do I have to wear to look this part? And honestly, you don't have to look a certain way or even wear certain things to pretty much copy whatever style's out there. You have your own unique style, and that is honestly thanks to having a solid foundation of the basic items that you have inside your closet. So when I first started getting into men's fashion and elevating my style, a lot of my friends would just randomly text me or DM me and ask me like, hey Marco, like how can I achieve this certain style, whether that's streetwear, looking dapper, or just being very minimalistic. And all of the answers that I gave them are all the same. Is you have to have a good core foundation to your closet. So for this video, we are going to go over things that every man should have in his closet. And when I say every man should have in his closet, these are the essentials that you need to have that solid foundation to find your style or elevate it. And as a side note, all the items that I will be showing you guys today in the video are all interchangeable, meaning that you can pair them up with each other and you'll have pretty much endless options for any occasion that you might be in that day. The first item that every man should have in his closet is plain t-shirts. In my opinion, the plain t-shirts are the most underrated things when it comes to fashion and having your own personal style. A plain t-shirt, whether it's a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt, can pretty much go with anything. You can wear it with a denim jacket, you can wear it with a bomber jacket, you can wear it with a blazer, an overcoat, whatever you want. So recently I just bought a solid white t-shirt, crew neck t-shirt, as well as a black plain crew neck t-shirt from Uniqlo. The quality on these items is really nice. The fabric isn't too thin or too heavy, and it fits just right around the arms and around the chest area. And also in my closet, what I've actually had this for a while, is this Nike elongated t-shirt. Yeah, it has like the small little black logo here on the chest, but honestly this is a very versatile item when it comes to a plain shirt. I could wear this with joggers, I could wear it with black denim pants, I could wear it with chinos, whatever I decide for the day. It pretty much goes well with anything. Second item that every man should have in their closet is a pair of black denim pants. So when it comes to black denim pants, they too are a very versatile option in your wardrobe, especially when you want to give off like a certain vibe. Like if you're trying to be a bad boy, boom, black leather jacket, and what do you match with that? A plain white t-shirt and black denim jeans. But if you're also trying to look very classy, or you're trying to look well put together, a black pair of denim pants honestly isn't a bad option, especially since black goes with anything. When it comes to black denim, what I have in my closet is the M128 black denim jean from the company Minimal LA. Minimal LA is a online one-stop shop retailer for denim products, so like jeans, jackets. They have everything from like black denim jeans to leather pants to dark wash to light wash, joggers. And honestly, the price points for the pants aren't too bad at $64 a pair. The only thing that I don't like about these jeans is that every pair that they have, they only offer in a size 32 inseam length. For me personally, I am a 36-30, so there's no way I could fit into a 32 inseam length, so I had to take these to a tailor to get these hemmed and tapered. But other than that, the jeans fit really well. I love the stretch on them, and they're really easy to take care of. Third type of item that every man should have in their closet or in their wardrobe is the casual pant. Now when I say casual pants, I'm talking about joggers and cargo pants. When it comes to joggers and tapered cargo pants, those are mainly for things that you want to look very clean with, or if you're heavy into streetwear, those are things you could wear as well. You can either dress them up with some really nice, clean dress shoes, or you can dress them down with a pair of sneakers. When it comes to the top portions of your outfit, the joggers and the cargo pants go very, very well with a denim jacket. You can match them with a blazer, or you can just wear them with a plain t-shirt. So when it comes to my closet and the casual pants that I have in my wardrobe, I actually have two pairs from Nike. The first pair is the black tapered cargo pant. This pant is super comfortable. It's fitted, but not too fitted to where it's super tight. Has a good amount of stretch in it, and I just really love the pockets. The pockets really add a really nice urban streetwear feature to it, and I recommend this to anybody. These pants, when I first bought them, you know, what really made me fall in love with these pants is that they were the perfect length, and I didn't have to take them to a tailor to get them hemmed. And the second pant that I have are these green joggers that I have also gotten from Nike. What I like about these is that, again, these two have a very tapered feature to them. They're not too baggy. They have a lot of room in the thigh. They get fitted down towards the ankle. They're not too tight around the waist for the waistband. And you know, it really goes with a lot of the stuff that I have in my closet, and it's super comfortable. The next item that every man should have in their wardrobe, and honestly this is one of my favorite things to have in my wardrobe, is a pair of dress pants. Believe it or not, you can make dress pants a very, very versatile option in your wardrobe, especially now these days when a lot of people are wearing pleated slacks, non-pleated slacks, and just slacks in general when it comes to streetwear and dapper clothing. In my closet, when it comes to slacks and everything, I have a pair of, I'm gonna say it's like a dark burgundy, almost brownish pair of stretch slim fit slacks from Express. What I really like about these is that they really go well with anything that I have in my closet. I can dress them up with a pair of brown boots that I got from this company called Taft, or I can dress them down with a pair of white sneakers and just roll them up at the cuff. The next item that every man should have in their wardrobe, in my opinion, is a nice denim jacket. It is the most classic of all classics when it comes to fashion for both men and for women. You can dress up the denim jacket by wearing a nice patterned button-up, or even just a solid colored button-up, or you can dress it down by wearing a hoodie, or just, again, a simple t-shirt. So in my closet, I have this really nice blue wash of a denim jacket. I got it at H&M, really affordable at like $40. I really like the fit of this jacket. The shoulders aren't too boxy. It has like this sort of raglan type design, super comfortable. And what I like to wear this with, I like to wear this with either a hoodie or with a solid shirt. And I definitely like to pair this with the Nike cargo pants that I have. Another item that I believe every man should have in their wardrobe is a nice fitting hoodie. I am a sucker for hoodies, especially since I live here in the Bay Area where it's cold literally 355 days out of the year. And something about hoodies just makes it super cozy, and honestly keeps me warm all the time. And I honestly, a lot of my outfits, I have a hoodie incorporated into something. So right now I do have a favorite hoodie. It's actually this yellow Levi's hoodie. I got it from my cousin Kayla, shout out to you Kayla, for Christmas, as a Christmas gift. And I'd love to pair this with my blue denim jacket, and I also like to wear it by itself. Yellow is definitely like a color for statement, and it's just something I've been gravitating towards as of lately. The last items that I personally believe every man should have in their wardrobe is a button-down shirt, whether that's a solid button-down shirt or a flannel. So we'll start with the solid button-down shirt first. When it comes to solid button-down shirts, there's a lot of things that you can do with them. You can, again, dress them up with a pair of slacks or a pair of chinos and wear like some dress shoes or some boots with them. Or you can dress them down with a pair of chinos, some sneakers, and you can do what's called a French tuck, where you don't tuck the shirt in all the way. Or you can do this other tuck where you know, tuck your shirt in, except you leave one of the tucks untucked, and adds like a certain type of character with it. And then now we're gonna be looking at the flannel. This flannel I got from H&M as well. When it comes to the flannels, you can do a lot with them. You can wear them by themselves. You can wrap them around the waist. Personally, what I like to do is I like to pair it with my blue denim jacket and give it like a sort of texturized, layered look. And honestly, it's one of my favorite things in my wardrobe right now, especially when it comes to adding a little bit more variety and personality into my outfits. And that, gentlemen, is everything that I believe every man should have in their closet slash wardrobe. Guys, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. Again, so sorry for having this video out 2 weeks later than it was supposed to, but I really do hope this helped you guys out in, you know, on your journey of men's fashion, making a foundation of what you want to wear when it comes to your personal style, and just hopefully just gives you inspiration in general. If you guys like today's video, please leave me a like as well as a comment in the comment section. And since you're here, why not subscribe to my channel? You found me, you're already halfway there. Go ahead and just hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to me. And after you do that, hit the bell icon so you can get notified of all the new things I'll be putting on the channel. You will not regret it. Alright guys, that is enough from me for today's video. Again, my name is Marco Calise. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace.